Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious teriyaki chicken breast. Start by selecting 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, ensuring they are roughly equal in size for consistent cooking. Use paper towels to pat each piece completely dry, which helps create a beautiful sear later on. Then, slice each breast into 3 or 4 uniform cutlets, about 1/2 inch thick, making them ready to absorb all the wonderful flavors. For the marinade, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar until the sugar dissolves. Stir in 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger and 2 cloves of minced garlic for that essential flavor. Submerge your prepared chicken cutlets in this aromatic mixture, then cover and refrigerate them for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to deeply infuse. Heat 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil, like canola or vegetable, in a large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place the marinated chicken cutlets in a single layer, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Sear each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. Use a meat thermometer to confirm the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safe consumption. After cooking, transfer your perfectly seared chicken to a plate and tent it loosely with foil to keep it warm. Pour any remaining marinade from the bowl, along with 1/4 cup of water, directly into the hot skillet. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, allowing it to reduce and thicken into a beautiful, glossy teriyaki glaze that will coat your chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.